good morning, dear students. How are you all in this fine morning? Hope to see you all very happy and healthy in this fine morning. I'm also keeping fine. Dear students, let me once again introduce about today's class. Even going before that, let me tell what we have learned in our previous class. In our previous class, we have learned Merchant of Venice, Act 2, Scene 7, the last poem where Shakespeare was telling or presenting the theme of appearance versus reality. And you have done even your homework. I am very happy that I had given you 3 questions and most of you have attended the video and did the homework also. I am very happy about that one, and it should be like this. Okay, and yesterday I had also asked you to give a brief character sketch of Portia and Morocco, and why Morocco rejected our silver casket and lead casket, and he particularly chose the golden casket, and what he got and how he went, all those things we have learned. So here, today, this my fine class, we are going to learn Act 2, Scene 8, and today we will be learning the test from test number 1 to 20. Please remember the characters present in this scene. It's a very brief scene, and the characters present here are Salarino and Salanio, the close friends of Antonio and Bassanio. Okay. Now, and what is the context of this particular scene? The context is that Shylock identified that his daughter Jessica has stolen away all the valuable things from her own house and ran away with a Christian Lorenzo. You know that. Okay. Now, and the second context is that there is a news about the shipwreckage of Antonio. You remember, Antonio's business ships, the cargo ships, they were on the race to various parts of the universe, and there we come to know that Antonio has lost one of his merchandise ships. That is the thing. And where this situation or this scene is taking place, this is taking place in a street in Venice. Thus the location is a street. Each scene is set in a different situation, in a different area. The location, that is here in this street. So okay, hope this background is clear for you. Now please pay attention to the class. We have a short class of 10 to 15 minutes or maximum 20 minutes, less than 20 minutes. Okay, please pay attention. As I open my test and explain, please keep your book also open so that we can have a clear understanding of each and every word. Now, the introduction of this scene, what does it say? That is, in this scene, Shylock discovers the elopement of his daughter. What is elopement? Elopement means the running away of a girl or a boy with his lover. Elopement. Of his daughter with a Christian. Who is this Christian referred? Lorenzo. And her theft of gold and jewels while fleeing. See, she not only ran away from her own house, but also she did the theft. After stealing, robbing her house, she went with a Christian. What a painful thing it is, isn't it? Yes. This intensifies his hatred for Christians and his desire for revenge. Already, Shylock, the Jewish person, he is angry with the Christians. Now, again, one more problem happens, and as a result, what happened? His own daughter deceived him and ran away with a Christian, and all the more Shylock intensifies his hatred for Christians. If your hatred is too much, then normally what do you do? Yes, you take revenge on that person, isn't it? Yes, that is what our Shylock is also going to do here. He plans to take revenge. Then Salarino and Salanio talk about a shipwreck and hope that it is not Antonius. And here both the friends, our Salarino and Salanio, they are discussing about the news of the shipwreckage of Antonio. What is shipwreckage? Accident that happened to a particular ship. Remember the shipwreckage of our Titanic? Yes, that was shipwreckage. And being good friends, both Salarino and Salanio, the hopes, oh my God, this shipwreckage shall not be of our best friend Antonio. Yes, the scene further highlights Antonio's love for Bassanio as he bids farewell to him with tearful eyes. In the last part of this scene, what we are going to hear? We are going to hear about the intimate friendship between Bassanio and Antonio. How Antonio said farewell, goodbye to Bassanio. Though it is just for a short time, Antonio feels too much pain about the departure of Antonio. This is in nutshell. In nutshell, I have summarized everything. Now we are going to learn test number 1 to 20. Please take your pencil also with you so that as I explain, if any difficult word is there, you can just write down the meaning there. Street, scene 8, Venice, a street enters Salarino and Salanio. Both these friends are talking and coming to the street. Salarino, he opens the dialogue. Why, man, I saw Bassanio under sail. Why? What is in the Shakespearean language? What is the meaning of why? Yes. Why means yes. Don't think that in Hindi meaning why means kyun, kya. No, that is not meaning in Shakespearean language. Why means yes, man. Yes. Yes, man. I saw Bassanio under sail. Under sail means set sail. I have seen Bassanio going or beginning or starting his journey to Belmont. With him is Graciano gone along, and with him, with Bassanio, who was there with only Graciano, and in their ship I am sure Lorenzo is not. Now, what is the highlighted news or breaking news of the street there? The breaking news of the street is that Jessica, the daughter of Shylock, has ran away with her lover, that is a Christian Lorenzo. And there is a talk that, okay, Lorenzo and Jessica also must have gone with Bassanio. No, but our Salerno confirms that no, in the ship or in the boat of Bassanio, there were only two people, and those two were Bassanio and Graciano. I am confident, I am absolutely sure about that one. Okay, Salanio, the villain Jew with outcries raised the Duke, who went with him to search Bassanio's ship. See, that is the villain Jew, who is the villain of the drama, Shylock. Yes, the villain Jew with outcries. Outcries means complaints. Outcries means complaint. So Shylock went and complained to the Duke, who is the Duke ruler, the supreme authority of Venice. He went and outcried, made complaints against Jessica and Lorenzo, and even forced the Duke to come and check the ship of Bassanio. Yes, see, who went with him to search Bassanio's ship. Salarino. He came too late. Who came too late? Duke and Shylock reached in the harbor very late. Meanwhile, Bassanio and Gratiano had already gone or left the harbor. The ship was under sail, but there the Duke was given to understand that in a gondola were seen together Lorenzo and his armoress Jessica. Besides Antonio certified the Duke, they were not with Bassanio in his ship. Thus, he came too late. Who came? The Duke came too late to check the ship of Bassanio. Meanwhile, they have already gone. They have already left the harbor and they were under sail. Under sail means already began their movement. Then, but there the Duke was given to understand. There the Duke was informed that in a gondola means a flat-bottomed ship, that is to cross a canal or a small river and so on. Gondola, reference number 8, please see. A flat-bottomed boat used on the canals of Venice. Yes. To understand that in a gondola were seen together Lorenzo and his amorous Jessica. Who is this amorous Jessica? Loving Jessica, loving wife or girlfriend. Besides, more than what these things, what happened? Antonio certified the Duke, they were not with Bassanio in his ship. Who was not there? Antonio certified that in the ship of Bassanio, Lorenzo and Jessica were not there. So that was another certificate given by Antonio. Why Antonio gave a certification to the Duke regarding the elopement of our Lorenzo and Jessica? Because Antonio was such a respected person in the society, especially in Venice. He was such a nice person. So the words of a nice person, sincere person, is always taken seriously. It is taken. Thus, Duke believed the words of Antonio. They were not with Bassanio in their ship. Hope you have understood that test. Now, Salanio, I never heard a passion so confused. Salanio is saying, I have never heard a person crying so badly in the street. You remember some problem happens in your family, your mummy may beat on your chest, you may beat on your chest and cry. But at the same time, your papa or the eldest member of the family, especially the male member of the family, he will not cry. He may cry inside his heart, but at the same time, he may not cry externally. That doesn't mean that he is not sorrowful. But all cannot go on weeping and crying, blasting their chest. Right? Okay. Now, Lorenzo, yes, I never heard a passion so confused, so strange, outrageous, so strange way he was crying. Outrageous means excessive expression of emotions. Outrageous and variable. Variable means frequently changing, because Shylock was crying for his daughter, his ducats and revenge. So outrageous, so that is variable and so strange way. Who was crying in the street? Shylock. What would be the reason? The reason is that he understood that his own daughter deceived him and stolen away all the valuables of his house and ran with a Christian. So, please come back to the test again. So strange, outrageous and so variable as the dog Jew did utter in the streets. My daughter, my ducats, oh my daughter, flood with a Christian, oh my Christian ducats, justice, the law, my ducats and my daughter, a sealed bag, 2 sealed bags of ducats, of double ducats stolen from me by my daughter. That was the content of the cry. See, more than the money or more than Jessica, Shylock was crying for his money. And he says that, see, my daughter, my decades, my daughter flirt with a Christian. Who is that Christian? Lorenzo, the lover. Oh, my Christian decades. Now he thinks that Jessica has already handed over the decades, the money to Lorenzo, and it has become his, and he says it as Christian decades. Justice, I need justice. The law, my decades, and my daughter. A sealed bag. A seal means a closed bag. Zipped bag. Two sealed bags of decades. So she has stolen two sealed bags of decades, of double decades. The decades that are having double values stolen from me by my daughter. So that was the content of the outcry Shylock made in the street. A jewels, two stones, two rich and precious stones stolen by my daughter. Justice, somebody go and bhago, pakdo, like that language, you know. Yes, justice, find the girl. She has the stones upon her and the decades. She has taken all the things. Please, somebody go and catch her so that I can get my decades. Dear students, please remember that the cry of our Shylock is a humorous thing for us, because being such an adult, a person, grown-up person, he is simply crying in the street like street children. No, that is not expected from us. So from in this long dialogue of starting with 15 to 20, what you have understood? The content of the cry that is raised by Shylock in the street over his daughter, over his money, over his precious stones, over other jewels and other precious metals which Jessica has stolen from her house as she ran away with a Christian called Lorenzo. Clear for you? So, look at reference number 20, then you will understand. Two stones, diamond and a turquoise. Turquoise is a memento, a ring, a greenish color ring that was given to Shylock by his wife when he was a bachelor. That time itself, probably Shylock must have been in love with a lady, and her name is Leah. Leah is the name, and the blue-greenish ring is called a turquoise ring. Later on you will come to know about that one. So, of his courtship of his dead wife upon. Now look for this. Now stolen by my daughter, justice, find the girl. Yes. Why all the boys in the Venice also follow him? All the boys in the street, they are also crying. Yes, my daughter, my decades, my daughter fled away. So the Shylock was just crying in the street, and he was supported by our small children, abandoned children in the street, and they were also crying. Why? Yes, all the boys in Venice follow him, crying his stones, his daughter, and his decades. So that is the content of this one. So hope you have understood this class. I just stop, as I have already told you. The test is from 1 to 20. Alright. Hope the test is clear for you. What we have learned today, activity 2, scene, that is scene, this one is 8, scene 8, scene 8, test number 1 to 20, characters here, Salerno and Salanio only, and the contest, Shylock's cry in the street, and the news about Antonio's shipwreck. So the first part we have already learned, and the location is in a street. So both the friends are discussing about what they were discussing about the outcry that is made by Shylock in the street. Thus, dear students, hope you have understood the class. Please write down the summary of this class in 4 sentences of your own. Please write down the summary, and as you forward, please forward the things to me in the group so that I can get back to you. And once again, hope you have understood the class. If you find any problem, please get back to me through your doubts. And until we see in our next class, a goodbye and have a nice day. Thank you very much. God bless you. Take care.